How's it going, guys? It's that time of the month where I'll be bringing you 5 apps that you need to check out. But before we get started, make sure you drop a like and get subscribed because you know your boy works hard to bring you these videos. So once you're done, let's begin. First off, we have a wallpaper application called DopeWalls. Let me tell you what attracted me towards this app. It was the UI. It was buttery smooth and I really love the animations, and it just makes you want to use the app a little more. Apart from that, there's a decent collection of wallpapers you can check out. Like all the other apps, it shows what's popular and the latest collections. You can obviously download the wallpapers or set it as your home screen directly from your app. So do give it a try and leave a comment if you liked it. Moving on, we have the GBox toolkit. This is the perfect companion for your Instagram app because it has all the features that enable you to step up your Insta game. From different fonts to creative hashtags, it has everything you can think of. Now, since I don't have time to explain every feature, you can check it out yourself. But let me give you an example. This is 9grid, an app that lets you divide your single post into multiple parts. So it would look something like this. This is a really cool feature which in other cases you would have to download another app just for creating this. But with GBox you have everything under one app. Next, coming to Premiere Rush. I'm so excited for this one because it is essentially Premiere Pro on your smartphone. This is a huge boost for the new creators who don't have a powerful PC for editing their videos. Now all you have to do is download this app, which is completely free right now on your smartphone, and get creating. It has basic transitions and color grading tools, and it gets synced to the cloud so you can access your project from your PC, laptop or your phone and don't have to worry about backing it up. It has most features required to edit a video, so do check it out. So now you can forget all the other editing applications and just get this one. Now I have a game for you. Miriam, I guess that's how you pronounce it. This is an indie game, and if you know the game Limbo, which I have featured before, this is exactly like that. But the difference is it's not paid. It's a game where you solve puzzles to progress, and as far as story goes, it's kind of a mystery which unravels itself as you go through the game. The aesthetic and tone of the game really attracted me, and I wanted to keep playing and get through the levels. So if you want to try out an indie game, check this out. Finally, we have an icon pack for the minimalists called the Minimalist. I really like the look of this icon pack, and though it's not free, I got you guys covered. There's a link down the like button where you can download this app for free. Coming back to the icon pack, there is a huge collection of apps that this supports, and it also has different styles for a particular app that you can choose to your liking. Like for example, the Firefox app, as you can see here. So there you go. These were the 5 apps for the month of July. Make sure to drop a like and get subscribed for more content. This is Vishal signing off, and you're watching Half-Life.